Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Mission Math Minds. I'm Sushma. Today we are going to learn substitution method for example 2 and example 3. Last class we learned for the example 1 for the simple type of the equation. But this time we are going to learn for the fraction and square root type of the equations. So here we have an example 2, that is 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equals to minus 2. I'll mention this as a equation 1, and x by 3 plus y by 2 is equals to 13 by 6. This is equation 2. So now I'll take equation 2. By equation 2 also you can write. So what we have, equation 2 is x by 3 plus y by 2 is equals to 13 by 6. Because we need to take any one term, x otherwise y coefficient, we need to make is equals to something, and we need to substitute that value in equation 1. So we'll check it. So here I'll take now this x that side. So then we'll get y by 2 is equals to 13 by 6. This x term, if you take that side, so plus x by 3 will become minus x by 3. So we need to take LCM here. So we can see 6 is a bigger one and 3 is a smaller one. So we need to check first, is it 6 is divisible by 3 or not. So here 6 is divisible by 3. So therefore 6 only will consider as a LCM. So therefore LCM is 6, and 3 also need to become 6, means we need to multiply this one by 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Here we have a 6 only as a LCM, so no need to multiply. You want means you can multiply with a 1. So 13, I'll write like that only, minus 2 into x, 2x, y by 2. Now we can cancel denominator and denominator. So I'll cancel now. 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So y is equals to 13 by 2x by 3. I'll mention this as a equation 3. Now we will substitute this in, substitute equation 3 in equation 1. Why we can't substitute in equation 2? Because we got equation 3 based on equation 2 only. Because from equation 2 only equation 3 came. So therefore we will not substitute in a equation 2. We need to substitute in a equation 1 only. What we have, equation 1 is 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equals to minus 2. In the place of y, I'll substitute now this equation. So 3x by 2 minus 5 bracket 13 minus 2x by 3 divided by 3 is equals to minus 2. Now we will take this one 3 denominator also down only. So we can take now. So 3x by 2 is equals to 5 bracket 13 minus 2x divided by 3 into 3 is equals to minus 2. So 3x by 2 minus 5 bracket 13 minus 2x divided by 3 3s are 9 is equals to minus 2. Now we need to see denominators, because denominators need to be equal if we need to add or we need to subtract. But here we don't have equal, so therefore now we'll see which is a bigger one to find out LCM. So which is a bigger one? 9 is a bigger one. First we need to check, is it 2 will divide 9 or not. But 2 will not divide 9, so therefore we need to multiply 9 with a 2. So we'll get 9 2s are 18. So LCM is 18 we will get. So now we need to make denominator as a 18, means we need to multiply 2 9s are 18. So numerator also we need to multiply by 9. So 9 2s are 18. So therefore numerator also multiply by 2. So 18 divided by 9 3s are, will get 27x minus 5 2s are 10 bracket 13 minus 2x is equals to minus 2. Now we will cross multiply denominator with this term. So we'll get 27x minus 10 into 13 we will multiply. So we'll get 130, but here we have a minus, so therefore minus 130, minus into minus plus 10 into 2 will get 20x is equals to denominator multiply with this. So 18 2s are, will get 36. So minus 36. Now we will subtract or add. Anything we can do, we need to check. So here we have a 27x plus and plus 20x. So we can add this both terms because x coefficients. So 20 plus 27, we will get 47x minus 130 is equals to minus 36. Now I'll take this one constant term this side. So we'll get 47x is equals to minus 36 plus 130, because minus 130 it will come this side, it will become plus 130. So 47x is equals to 130 minus 36, we will get 94. So x is equals to 94 divided by 47. 47 ones are, 47 twos are, we will get, so x is equals to 2. So now we will substitute in a x is equals to, substitute x is equals to 2 in equation 3, because it's a simplified equation, so we can substitute here. So y is equals to 13 minus 2x by 3. So y is equals to 13 minus 2 bracket 2 divided by 3. So we'll get 13 minus 3 2s are 4 divided by 3. So by subtracting this, we'll get 9 by 3. 3 1s are, 3 3s are. So y is equals to 3. So therefore we can say the solution is x comma y is equals to 2 comma 3. So this is one type, it's over. Now we will do for the square root numbers. So here we have a square root numbers as a root 2x plus root 3y is equals to 0. Root 3x minus root 8y is equals to 0. So here I mentioned which is the equation 1 and which is the equation 2 also. So first one I mentioned as a equation 1 and second one I mentioned as a equation 2. Now I'll take by equation 2. So equation 2 we have root 3x. Here root 3 is applicable for only the numbers, not for the coefficients. Here root 3 is applicable for the number, not for the x, because only for the coefficient of x only it's applicable. Root 3 minus root 8y is equals to 0. Now I'll take this one term this side. So 8y is equals to minus root 3x. Now I'll take this one this side. So I'll get y is equals to minus root 3x by minus root 8. Minus minus cancels, we'll get y is equals to root 3 by root 8 is the x, equation 3. So now substitute equation now we will substitute equation 3 in a equation 2. So what we have equation 2, now we substitute equation 3 in equation 1. What we have equation 1, root 2x plus root 3y is equals to 0. So we have a y value. So therefore root 2x plus root 3, y value is root 3 by root 8, x is equals to 0. So now root 3 into root 3 will multiply that. So root 2x plus root 3 into root 3 will get root 3 whole square, x by root 8 is equals to 0. Root 2x plus square and root cancels, will get 3x by root 8 is equals to 0. So nothing is there, 1 will be there. So we need to take LCM for root 8 and 1. So it's obvious, it's a root 8 only. So multiply numerator and denominator both also by root 8. So root 2 into root 8 x plus, we'll write this one 3x like that only, is divided by root 8 is equals to 0. So now we will cross multiply with 0. So we'll get 0 only. So here we have inside the root only. So we can multiply this. 8 2s are 16x plus 3x is equals to root 8 into 0. We'll get 0 only. So root 6 value is, root 16 value is 4x plus 3x is equals to 0. So 4 plus 3 we will get 7x is equals to 0. So x is equals to, will get 0. Now we will substitute this one, x value is 0 in equation 3. Now x is equals to 0 in equation 3. So we'll get y is equals to root 3 by root 8 into 0, so it will become 0 only. If you multiply anything with 0, it will be 0 only. So therefore, the solution is x comma y is equals to 0 comma 0. I hope you people enjoyed this video. Like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you so much.